So this video is not be regarding the Street Triple ownership review, but it will be regarding the tire change on the Africa Twin. I received the tires yesterday, and I've already booked an appointment at Dynamic Riders. I am 20 minutes late already. भी जल्दी जाना है. Good thing is that being an adventure tourer, I can mount the tires on the back and properly sit and ride and go. Additional car या some other person holding the tires की ज़रूरत नहीं. I'm going to tie everything with the bungees. Yeah, sorry. Hold everything with bungees. These tires, these are Metzeler Karoo Street tires, and they costed me, both front and back, कुल मिला के they costed me 28,000 rupees. That's a lot. Even when compared to superbike standards and all, I mean especially in India, and for these tires, because front to आराम से I got it for 9,000 rupees, but the rear tire was somewhere around 15 या 16,000 rupees. That's because the rear rim of the Africa Twin is 18 inches. Generally on any adventure tourer, even the Tiger and the F850, the rear tire is 17 inches. इसका थोड़ा बढ़ के है. Because of that, the availability of such tires in India is very little. It's actually super scarce. So because of that, the prices have bumped up, and I had to get these tires from Chennai था पहले, उसके बाद now it got shifted to Punjab. So they came all the way from Punjab. Anyways, enough of blabbering shit. I'll just go give a small moto vlog and come back, and I'm going to take the main camera as well. वहाँ जाने के बाद भी पूरा बता दूँगा. And on a completely different topic, I'm getting a lot of messages regarding this mask. This is called a Pure Breeze mask. It's N99 grade. It's slightly above N95. Yeah, this particular mask is very helpful for people who generally wear specs or sunglasses or any sort of eyewear, because it blocks all the gaps and all. Because of that, air doesn't, whenever you exhale or inhale, the air doesn't leak out. So उसके वजह से fogging नहीं होगा. So that is one good thing about this mask. If you guys are very much interested, I'm going to put the website link and the coupon code in the description, and it will be flashing somewhere here. And yeah, and enough of blabbering shit. I'm going to motovlog now. See you on the road. Edwin actually told me that he'll join along with me उसके bike पे, just to tag along as fun. But now he told me to wait for 15 minutes because he has some work, and he told me वो 15 minute में हो जाएगा. Because of that, waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. I have a spare set of tubes. I'm carrying those new tubes as well. Let's see if at all these tubes खराब हो गए, तो I'll just change the tubes as well. Man, I need to really change or do something about my rims, because those are tube rims. अगर पंचर हो गया तो it's a big lolly. The easiest possibility is to get tubeless rims, but those cost a lot. Or the second option is getting Outex. I spoke to multiple people, and it is not that reliable. There is also one more option called Formula X, which is already in my current tubes, but I already had a puncture with those, so it's a big. So I don't know. I'm planning to buy those tubeless rims. These cost a lot, but not right now. अभी कोई trips नहीं है. Trips వచ్చినాక చూద్దాం. Till then, just change the tires and go have some fun on the trails. పెట్రోల్ బంక్ దాటగారు కొంచెం ముందున్నా రైట్ ఇద్దరు. Why did it turn off? GoPro turned off. So because I was 1 hour late, appointment cancel हो गया. Now I have to wait. So till then I'm getting my bike washed. After the fall, after that incident, I did not give or I did not wash my bike. So पूरा कचरा कचरा and हाँ कोई आए तो ये लुल्ली है कोरोना से. So anyway, पूरा कचरा कचरा पूरा grass was up, everything was stuck inside the bike near the main stand and the chain. So I'm just getting everything cleaned now. This will probably take 20-30 minutes and tire change for another 20-30 minutes, and uske baad I'll be heading back home. I'm standing way away from the store, from Dynamic Riders, is because of the COVID issue, and there are a lot of people in near the store itself, so इसलिए I'm little far off. And I try to vlog a lot by using the GoPro, but I don't understand why it automatically got turned off and it is not turning back on. I have to head back home and get the GoPro checked. So till then I'm so sorry I cannot motovlog. So after the bike wash I'm going to show you the tire changes. Bye. New tire on the bike. I mean, only the rear tire has been changed so far. I need to change the front tire again. That will take another 20-30 minutes maximum. So जो भी है, the rear tire is new, the grip is good.
30 minutes. No, Pongura 30 minutes.
So it was taking quite some time now. So and Edwin was feeling hungry. So we came down to Ratnadweep. He's grabbing something for himself, koi chocolate hoga. Then we have to change the front tire. Whenever you buy a tire, you generally have to check the manufacturing date of the tire. It is always imprinted on the tire. See, it is written 2918. So that means the tire was manufactured in the year 2018, 29th week of 2018. So it is hardly 2 years old. Yeah, it is hardly 2 years old. And the front similarly was 3918. So 39th week of 2018. So whenever you purchase a tire, don't buy a tire which is more than 3 years old. That is like if you buy the tire which is more than 3 years old, it is probably saying that it is staying idle for 3 years, not being used. Then that rubber is actually useless. So generally check the tire before you buy, not more than 2 or 3 years old. Okay, this is what happened. Time is somewhere around 7:30. My main camera's battery was dead. GoPro was doing some natak, and unfortunately GoPro fell down, right? And uske baad it started working normally again. Desi jugaad, dude. Every time it works. Every time. No, even the GoPro is not working properly. Let me be quick. I guess this is recording in a very short clips. Both the tires are fixed. I'm heading home right now. Time is around 7:30. I'll go home and complete the video, right? Cheers, guys. And I really don't know why I'm always forgetting this, but I'm always forgetting my intro I should say before start of the video, but it's not coming up. Anyways, what's popping YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm giving it as an outro, man. ये हमेशा होते रहता नहीं अम्मा. First thing, whenever you change your tires, always remember. Actually, all this I recorded in the GoPro, but later I realized it was not recording at all. So, anyways, this is an 80/20 tire. So 80/20 tire means it does 80% on road and 20% off road. So I got such tire for the Africa Twin because I thought thoda to off road hoga whenever we go to Ladakh, Sikkim, wo type of places. You need a bit of off-road ability for the tire for your ease of use. And for example, on the Ducati, there is this tire. This is a 95/5 tire. That's a 95/5 tire, which means 95% on-road and 5% off-road focus. So what are the advantages of having on-road tire, 95 on-road tire is on the road when you're traveling, majority of the time obviously, you get less tire noise. You're outside, you're not in a car, right? So because of that you get a lot of tire noise and all. So as you know, the off-road focus of the tire increases, the tire noise also generally increases. And being little more off-road focused and all, because of that even the tire lifespan reduces a bit. So the stock tire which I got on the Africa Twin gave me 12,000 kilometers, and this is a bit more off-road focused than that, and I'm hoping this will give me somewhere around 10,000 kilometers. Whenever you change your tire, always remember guys to get your air pressure checked. Always remember to get your air pressure checked. So from the next rides, from jo bhi jahan bhi jaunga, Africa Twin is ready. I got it washed as well. It's all clean, neat. I like this bike being a bit dirty, but it's all clean and neat right now. Yeah, I cannot go to major places for at least for the breakfast rides, wherever the off-road thing is there. I can go. And yeah, and one more major thing, I just got the tires changed, right? So I have to drive very carefully for the next 30 kilometers. Uske baad, when the tires wear in, you can do whatever you want. 30 kilometers is like the basic minimum. Yeah, and that's about it. And hope you like this vlog. Until the next vlog, peace.